So, but let us start with the CIP rules for assigning priorities to different groups. CIP rules. What this CIP means? C means
Kahan in bold.
in gold and prelog rules. So by using these rules, we can assign priority to different groups. So what's the very first rule to assign priority? Priority of different atoms or groups is decided on basis of what?
Atomic number.
Atomic number.
On basis of atomic number. Higher atomic number, yes,
More priority.
higher priority. So suppose you have bromine, chlorine, fluorine, and iodine. So which atom out of these halogens will get higher priority?
Iodine.
Iodine. So iodine will get higher priority. And suppose you have this one. Suppose you have hydroxyl group, methyl, thiol, and NH2. So which group will get higher priority?
Thiol.
Which will get
Thio.
thiol, because sulfur has higher atomic number. So it will get first priority. Second,
OH.
OH.
Oxygen. Third,
NH2.
nitrogen. And fourth will be methyl. So higher
Methyl.
atomic number of atom which is attached to your chiral carbon, higher will be priority. So for example, if you have this structure, and you have to assign R and S configuration to this molecule. So how you will assign it? First of all, you have to give priority sequence. So first priority will be given to in the structure
SH.
SH, sulfur. Second,
OH. Hydroxyl group.
third,
NH2.
fourth, hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Now what next you will do? Your lowest priority group is present in plane. So what you will do?
Convert in future projection.
You will convert
Fisher
it into Fisher. So how you will convert into Fisher? Which group will be over this lowest position?
OH.
Hydroxyl OH.
Here,
NH2.
here,
SH.
here, hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
So then you will again write their number. So it will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now if you move from 1, 2 to 3, you are moving in a clockwise direction. So it is expected to be R, but lowest priority group is present on horizontal line, which is above the plane. So you will write opposite. So its configuration will be
S.
S.
S. Its configuration will be S. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if two atomic numbers are same, if atom and its isotopes are present. Suppose if atom and its isotopes are present. That means atom and its isotope both are having same atomic number. In that case, for example, if you have a hydrogen, deuterium and tritium, all are having atomic number 1, but they have a different mass number. So in that case, what we do?
So we look for mass.
We
Mass.
look for mass, higher mass number, higher
Higher priority.
priority. Okay, so this is a very simple first rule. Higher atomic number of atom which is directly attached to your carbon, higher will be priority. If atom and its isotope is present, higher the atomic mass, higher will be priority. Rule number 2. Now rule number 2 says if first atom of two groups is same, for example, say you have methyl and ethyl. So in this case, what we do?
So next
Next
atom देखेंगे.
Next atoms compare करके. So in these cases, when two first atoms of two groups are same, they have a same atomic number, then relative priority is fixed by comparing next atom within the group. By comparing next atom within the group and so on. So for example, in methyl, you have carbon and remaining 3 are hydrogen. In ethyl, you have a carbon, 2 hydrogens, then again carbon and 3 hydrogen. So this is first atom. Here it is carbon, here it is carbon. So both are having same atomic number. So there is a tie. So then you have to go over the next atom. You have to look over the next atom. Now here next atom is hydrogen. Here next atom is carbon. So which will get higher priority?
Carbon.
Carbon.
Carbon. So ethyl will have first priority as compared to methyl. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose you have CH2SH and CH2OH. Which will get higher priority?
CH2SH.
CH2OH. Sorry, CH2SH. Why? Because carbon are having same atomic number. Then you look over next atom to solve this tie, and next atom 2 hydrogen. Here you have oxygen, here you have a sulfur. Now sulfur has higher atomic number, so it will get first priority. So here this thiol will get first priority and then this one. Hello. So this thiol, it will get higher priority. Similarly, if you have methyl and methylene chloride, so now which will get higher priority?
Methylene
Methylene
chloride.
chloride.
This one will get higher priority. So in these cases, we have to look over next atom to resolve tie. Now suppose you have CH2OH and CH2CH2SH. So out of these two, which will get higher priority?
CH2OH.
CH2OH, because here you have a carbon, hydrogen, and next atom is oxygen. Here you have carbon, hydrogen, and next atom is again carbon. Okay, even though further next atom is sulfur, but immediate next atom is carbon, which has lower atomic number than oxygen. So this will get higher priority. So this rule is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next rule is if a group has multiple bonds. Suppose your group has multiple bonds. So what we do in this case? Suppose your group has double or triple bonds. So what we do in this case? How we assign priority in this case when your group has multiple bonds? Now in this case, each multiple bond is considered equivalent to same number of single bond to which it is connected. Now what this means? Here this atom X is connected with this carbon by double bond. So what we do is, since double means 2, so we will consider this X connected with this carbon 2 times. So it will become X over here and 1X another time. This another X are also called ghost atoms since they do not exist in reality. Similarly, if you have a carbon triple bond X, in that case, what you consider, this carbon is attached with this group X how many times?
3 times.
3 times.
3 times. So one is original and 2 are ghost atoms. And this process is reversible. If this carbon is attached with this X 3 times, X is also attached with carbon by a triple bond. That means this X is also attached with this carbon 3 times. So one is original carbon and another 2 are ghost carbon. So each multiple bond has to be considered same number of single bonds to which it is connected. For example, if you have a carbonyl group and alcohol, which will get higher priority?
Carbonyl group.
Carbonyl
group.
group.
Carbonyl group will get higher priority. Why? Because in carbonyl group, carbon is attached with oxygen through double bond. So that means this group is like this one. One is ghost oxygen and another is hydrogen. While here it is like this. So here you can see you have a carbon, there is a tie, and then you look over next atom. And if you look over next atom, here you have oxygen, here you have also oxygen. So again, there is a tie, you will look over next atom. Next atom, again, there is oxygen, but here you have hydrogen. So this carbonyl group, it will get higher priority. Similarly, if you have CH double bond NH and C triple bond N, which will get higher priority?
C triple bond and
C triple bond N, because here nitrogen is attached 3 times, here nitrogen is attached 2 times. And if you have again carbonyl group and carboxylic acid, now which will get higher priority?
Carboxylic acid.
Carboxylic acid.
Of course, carboxylic acid, because this will be same. ठीक है, 2 oxygen carbon के नाल, 2 oxygen carbon के नाल. Next is hydrogen, but here you have oxygen, which has higher atomic number, so it will get higher priority. So you have to consider each multiple bond equivalent to corresponding number of single bonds. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us look over some examples. Let us look over some example of assigning R and S configuration. So assign R and S configuration to this molecule. Suppose you have bolo jaldi naal. And then suppose you have now suppose you have this one. So yes, first molecule, it is R or S?
R.
R.
Okay, why it is R? First number is given to
BR.
BR.
R.
second,
CL.
CL.
CS3
And
fourth H.
and now if you look, your lowest priority group is present above the plane. So jo bhi aayega, you have to write down its opposite. So now 1, 2, 3. So when you move it, it move in a anti-clockwise, but lowest priority group is above the plane. So we have to write it opposite. So it is R. Second,
S.
Sir, S.
S.
S. Out of CHO group and CH to SH group, which will get first priority?
CHO. CH2.
CHO.
Which will get first priority?
Sir, CHO.
CHO.
SH.
Okay.
Then it's
Anji Rajbir, which will get first priority?
CH2.
CH2O, just CH2SH?
CH2SH.
CH2SH. Okay, how many CH2SH? Sonia?
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी
So
बेटे give first
CHO.
priority CHO. Okay. Remaining students?
Sir,
Sir,
CH2SH, no first priority.
Sir, CHO.
Okay, so there are mixed responses. Now you can see your first carbon, first atom in both group is a carbon. Here it is also carbon, here it is also carbon. So there is a tie. ठीक है, दोनों का same atomic number है and it is tie. Then you move to next atom. To solve this tie. You have to resolve this tie. Now next atom here it is oxygen and here next atom is sulfur. So which has a higher atomic number?
Sulfur.
Sulfur. So this will get first priority. बेटे ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਟੂ ਰਿਜ਼ੋਲਵ ਦਿਸ ਟਾਈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ ਰਿਜ਼ੋਲਵ ਦਿਸ ਟਾਈ ਐਂਡ ਹੇਅਰ ਦਿਸ ਸਲਫਰ ਹੈਜ਼ ਅ ਹਾਇਰ ਐਟੋਮਿਕ ਨੰਬਰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਐਜ਼ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਟੂ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਸੋ ਦੈਟਸ ਵਾਈ ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਗੈਟ ਫਰਸਟ ਪ੍ਰਾਇੋਰਟੀ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਥਰਡ ਐਂਡ ਫੋਰਥ
Sir,
ਆਓ ਤੇ ਬੋਲੋ
sir, CH2 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੋ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨਸ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਲੱਗੇ ਨੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਵੇਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਹਤਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਐਟਮ ਸਲਫਰ
ਹਾਂ
ਲੱਗੇ
ਬੇਟੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹੀ ਦੱਸ ਰਿਹਾ ਨਾ ਹਾਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੋ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਵੀ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਸਲਫਰ ਵੀ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਕਿਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਸੌਰੀ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ
you have same carbon and all three atoms they are attached with the same carbon okay you have two hydrogen and one sulfur they are all attached with carbon and they are immediate atoms next atoms sahi ne do hydrogen and sulfur
yes sir.
ठीक है ना, यू कांट डिफरेंशिएट कि या नीचे लग गया हो या ऊपर लग गया हो, दे आर इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट टू कार्बन एंड हियर यू हैव ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन एंड वन इज घोस्ट ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है, our aim here is to resolve tie in such a way that higher atom with higher atomic number get first preference. Now if you look, this oxygen is a ghost oxygen. ठीक है, the ghost oxygen है, पर addition लगाइए. Actual one is this oxygen, and when you compare with this oxygen, ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ oxygen ਨੂੰ tie resolve ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ compare ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ oxygen ਨੂੰ ਇਸ hydrogen ਦੇ ਨਾਲ compare ਕਰ ਲਈਏ, so it will get first priority. No, ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ compare ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, to resolve tie in such a way that group with higher atomic number get first preference. So ਕਾਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ compare ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, sulfur ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, not with hydrogen. हाँ, अगर इत्थे हाइड्रोजन हुंदा and then here again you have a carbon and then sulfur, hydrogen and hydrogen, उस केस ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਕਰਦੇ, हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹਾਇਰ ਐਟੋਮਿਕ ਨੰਬਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, then lower atomic number ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, so what is configuration over here, R or S?
Sir, S.
S. It is moving like this. It is already below the plane, so it is S. What about this one? Tartaric acid. This molecule is tartaric acid. You have to remember structure of some important molecule. This is tartaric acid. Okay, this is also tartaric acid. This is mesotartaric acid because it has a plane of symmetry, and this is optically active tartaric acid mixture, D and L. Now, what's the configuration over this carbon and this carbon in this case, and over this and this carbon over here?
फर्स्ट केस कितना सर, ऊपर वाले से S से नीचे वाले 4 होए.
Okay, first you are saying upper is S and bottom is R. Okay, so let us see how. Okay, so out of these four groups, which will get first priority? Here you have carbon, carboxylic hydrogen, and this whole group which is there. So which will get first priority? OH. Why OH? Because it's oxygen is carbon directly attached. Either carbon, either hydrogen, and here you have again carbon. So this OH will get first priority. Now second priority.
COOH.
COOH. Why COOH?
Sir, okay, oxygen है second.
So this is your carboxylic group. So here this carbon and this carbon both are in tie. दोनों का की same atomic number. Then you have to look over next atom. Here next atom is oxygen. Here next atom is also oxygen. So again there is a tie. Here next atom is again oxygen. Here next atom is carbon and hydrogen, and both are having less atomic number than oxygen. So your second preference will go to carboxylic acid. Third preference,
नीचे वाला सर.
सर नीचे वाला कार्बन.
नीचे वाला पूरा group, and fourth of course will be hydrogen. So now if you look over the rotation from 1, 2 to 3, it is going in a like this. It is going in an anti-clockwise manner. So it will be R or S. Remember your lowest priority group is above the R.
R.
And what should be here? ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਆਏਗੀ?
S आएगा S.
फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी किनु मिलेगी?
OH नो.
OH. नीचे वाले कार्बन फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी will be OH. Second priority?
COOH.
Third
ऊपर वाला group fourth
So
hydrogen.
now it is moving in a 1, 2, 3. It is moving in a clockwise direction. So it's expected to be R, but lowest priority group above the plane. So it is S. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
What about this one? Mesotartaric acid. So this one is mesotartaric acid. बोलो इतना टाइम।
सर आर आएगी ऊपर वाले जितना सर
सर आर आएगी ऊपर वाले च, एस आएगी
नीचे वाले
नीचे
दी
वाले
एच।
नीचे वाले H।
एस।
Yes.
So this OH, it will get first priority, carboxylic group second, third, fourth. 1, 2, 3 moving in an anti-clockwise direction. Lowest priority group is above the plane, so you have to write opposite. It is R. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Moving in a anti-clockwise direction. Lowest priority group is above the plane. Expected to be S, but since it is above the plane, it will be R. S किवें आई थले?
सर एस आएगी।
S कितना आई दसो मैनू ना?
सर क्लॉकवाइज मूव कर रहे हैं ना
क्लॉकवाइज मूव कर रहे हैं।
क्लॉकवाइज मूव कर रही है ते ਉਹ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ਤੇ लोएस्ट ग्रुप पर।
Okay, this is moving in a clockwise direction.
Yes, sir.
यस सर
यस सर।
Okay, so it will be S. So if this is S, then there is a problem in this case or problem in this case. They can't be same. They're
ਸਰ
conflict.
ਨੀਚੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਚ ਆਰ ਆਏਗਾ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫਰਸਟ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ ਆਪਾਂ।
यस
which
सर
की आएगी R here.
आर नीचे वाले ਚ। यस सर।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, क्योंकि ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, सो इट शुड बी R. So is it clear?
यस सर।
Okay.
यस
So do some examples by yourself, and in next lecture I will discuss more examples. ठीक है? Do some examples by yourself. For example, draw Fisher projection of S2-butanol. S2-butanol. इसकी Fisher projection draw करो. Draw Fisher projection of S2-butanol. हाँ जी, की गल नहीं हुई?
होगी सर।
हो गए सर।
होगी सर।
दसो की लिखा? S2-butanol is CH3 CH2 CHOH CH3. बोलो।
तो ऊपर आएगा CH2 CH3
CH.
CH2
CH3
CH3
Here you have a CH3. So what should
Left side,
be to 9?
left side OH.
Left
Left
side
OH,
OH,
right side.
right side hydrogen. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving in a clockwise above the plane, so it is S. Similarly, write configuration of S and R glyceraldehyde, lactic acid, okay, and write configuration over all carbons in glucose molecule. So if you have a glucose molecule, you have to assign configuration over all carbons. Okay, over these 4 carbons, you have to assign configuration. करो try S and R glyceraldehyde and lactic acid. Exam चे question आ जाते ने. Write down the Fisher projection ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ. You have to write down ਵੀ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ. Okay, beta, try these questions by yourself. I am ending this meeting over here. Okay, and in next lecture, I will discuss some other examples. Okay, you have to try these questions by yourself and try maximum questions.